Hi traders, good morning. Long time no see. I think I didn't do a live stream for about 2 weeks. I don't know. I was very busy, sorry. But now I will try to come back and to do the live sessions, okay? Now I was watching also Gigi on the 30-minute chart, and I can see that now it jumped it up. Okay, I thought at the beginning that it can continue to go down, but after I made a better analysis, I realized that this price, it has to reject from this area and to come up higher. I am expecting for the price to come to 150 200 area from here, or maybe 150 400 area. Okay, so now I'm trying for the best opportunity to go into a trade. I wanted to enter right here. Okay, this was my idea, but I am waiting to see also if the price is going to break this area, because also here you can consider it as a resistance, and if it's going to break this area from here, then definitely the price should continue to go higher. I hope that you can hear me well, so that I have to know, because like this I know that we will not have any problems with this live session. So I wanted to show you, let me go on the daily, what was in my mind about GJ. And I'm thinking that looking on the daily chart, GJ right now is rejecting very hard this area, and it dated many times. Here, as you can see, we have multiple touches. Okay, I like to call them like this, and I can see that we have just a little bit to see that this candle from here, the daily candle, will flip into a bullish one. Okay, so we are waiting only for the price to break this area of 900. Okay, put it 150. Okay, and if the price is going to break this area, then our first take profit could be 150 200, and the second take profit could be at 150 400 area. So I'm expecting the price to reject from here also. So also to be easier for you to understand, and for those that they did courses with me, if we are using the Fibonacci retracement tool, okay, we will see that the price played around this area of 618 level and 786, and usually from here the price is rejecting and it's trying to come back up. Where it could be our take profit, I told you somewhere right here where we have 618. And again, of course, it's very important how this week will end and where the price will stay, because if the price will break this area of 618, then next week we will see that the price will fly up again. Hi Mehmet, how are you? I hope you are fine. Now we can see that the candle is flipping into a bullish one. Okay, and come on, you still have 1 second, and it seems like the price, it may continue to go higher to this area from here. Okay, please tell me, how are you? Have you been in any trades? I mean, this week was so hard, very difficult to trade. My God, what can I say? I would like to enter right here, but I'm waiting because maybe the price can come a little bit down around this area and maybe to continue to go higher. Let me go also on the 15. Now on the 15 we have a clear, oh sorry, not 5 minutes, 30 minutes and 1 hour. So I'm thinking that the price should come to this area, and let me see where I can have my stop loss. No, too small pips. 31, and if we are going to enter right here, this is something like 22, 40, like 50 pips. Hi there, Payam, how are you? I hope you are fine, and I hope that you are not over trading, because also it's Friday, and Friday I suggest you not to push yourself and try to get too many pips, because you can end up losing money. Okay, I don't know, I'm just waiting just a little bit for GJ to see how the price is going to move. Okay, because I'm expecting the price to reject a little bit from this area, because here we have where you see this red line, it's like from here the price started. Okay, the day started. So I am waiting like GJ to do like a small retest, and then maybe the price can come a little bit down to this area and then to come up. Okay, and I'm thinking at the same time that yes, so my idea is that yes, we can have more buys than sell, because going also by the 4-hour, this one looks like a pin for me, you know, and when I see this kind of candles, it shows me that the next candle, it should continue to go higher. Okay, well, let's see how this 15-minute candle will close, and if it's not closing how I like, then I will not have a buy. So my idea is that yes, we can have a buy for this pair, and I'm waiting for this buy for a long time. Now also I'm trying to prepare myself here. What do you say here, Payam? I am reading and improving my skills today, not so much trading. So just if I'm so sure. Yes, all the traders should do like this, because first of all, it's Friday, nobody's pushing you to trade. I mean, I don't like and I don't understand this kind of people that they are in a rush to trade. Oh, let me trade. I want to trade right now and have some pips. My God, don't worry. The market is here all the time, and every time that you will open your eyes, you will see the market. So don't worry, nobody's going to run away. So it seems like this one, it's trying to push higher. Wait, I'm trying to find also. Yeah, GJ is pushing higher and higher. So yes, we can say that we can have like a long position. Just go a little bit more. Also, I see CAD GPY falling, I guess, from 87.0. Yeah, I don't want to look right now at your CAD GPY. And also you have here the currency strength meter, and you know exactly what's going on. Okay, so I can have right here. Okay, I'm trying to scalp GJ. Oh, come on, GJ, don't be stupid. You saw I was trying to show you the currency strength meter, and I entered bad. Gold, what is going on with gold? Gold, I think it's falling right now. Oh no, it's going up. Why do I thought that it's also on the daily? Let me see. Yes, it has room, and the first stop should be here at 1774. And if it's going to break this one, then it has to go to 1775. Nice for those that they are in a buy. Very good. Come on, GJ, don't play stupid with me. I was showing to Payam the currency strength meter and I entered bad. So now I have to wait. It's 50-50, so it's 1-to-1 right now. If the price is not going to do whatever I want, then I will close 50% of the trade. Okay, for those that they want to copy this trade, please don't do it with a higher lot size, because maybe you are not trading from your profit and so on. So I'm trading from my own profit. So for example, I don't have any problem if I'm losing, because also I have put a small lot size, and I'm very comfortable with this trade. So if this one is not going to my favor, then definitely I will go and close 50% from my trade, and then I will see how the price is going to move. Let me see also on the 1 hour. So I'm really expecting for this price to continue to go higher. Right now we are waiting, okay? And please tell me if you are in some other trades like Euro GPY. I don't know. Let me see Euro GPY on the 1 hour candle. It seems like the price is rejecting from this area. Somebody is in, it had some sales in Euro GPY. Don't worry, don't be sorry, Payam, because I was the one that I was trying to show you. That's why I said that sometimes it's very difficult to trade and to explain something in the same time, because you have to focus in some other things, and then you will not be able to go exactly in your trade, okay, to be in your favor. But this you should know for your own. I mean, but I'm pretty sure that GJ is going to continue to go higher. I hope that it's not going to come back down, create like a wick, okay, liquidity grab, and then to come back up. I hope that it's not going to do that, because I will go crazy. But I'm pretty sure, and I am more than sure that this pair, it has to continue to go up. Let me see also GU. GU also is trying to push higher, even if the price closed under this resistance. And let's see if the price is going to break this area. It's very important to see where the price is going to break, where you have your take profit, okay, to have some small, all the time you have to do some small analysis, okay. So before I enter in the live session, I was looking at GJ and I said, okay, fine, it went down, okay, it stopped. Then when I went to the 4-hour chart, I saw that I saw this huge rejection. And sometimes when you see this kind of candle, I'm talking here especially about GJ, when it's doing this kind of candle, then definitely the price will shift direction. Usually on the Friday, you will notice that if, for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on, the price was falling. On the Friday, you will see that the price is rejecting and it's shifting direction. What do you say here? Ma'am, can I buy now gold? Oh, you want to buy now gold? Let me see just a little bit here at GJ what is trying to do. so it's in the same position. Gold, so you want to buy right now gold. I can say that, so gold break through this area first. Okay, let me see the 4-hour chart and the daily. So potentially target could be right here. You should do like this. One stop should be here. Okay, it's possible. And the second one should be here. Okay, this is what we are thinking, but we don't know exactly what the price will do. Okay, I think that the best thing for you right now is to wait for the price to make like a retest. Usually prices, they come back down. Look, for example, right here the price came back down, did like a retest, and then it went up again. So my opinion is that you should wait for the price to come back down, to do like a retest, and then to continue to go higher. Okay, please tell me, for those that they're right now in the group, if you are in some other trades or not. I don't know, I could say that for gold it was a very, very good trade, but it still has potential to continue to go higher. This was a very, very beautiful trade. Imagine I cannot see all the movements, and it's very difficult to be focused in many other things. That's why I say also to my students, please, if you are trying to trade, try to focus on only one pair, or maybe, I don't know, maximum two, because like this you will start to learn this, how the pair is moving, where it's trying to go, what it's trying to do, and so on. So if you are focused in many other things, I can say that it's hard. It's very hard to trade. Okay, so as you can see here on the 1 hour, okay, let me go on the 15 to see. Look, on the 5 minute it's doing like a small retracement, but here, yes, it has, definitely it has potential to continue to go higher. Let me see Euro GPY. Euro GPY, it's continue to go higher, and maybe it's going to retest this area of 440 for those that they are in a buy. Maybe the price, it has to continue to this area, and maybe somewhere right here. Let me see GJ. GJ is going into our favor, and I hope that this one is going to continue to go higher, and at least to touch this area from here at 150, 147. Okay, this is on the 15-minute chart, and if I'm going to the 30-minute chart, and we still have 14 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, but I'm still expecting for the price to fill this wick right here. But right now it seems like the price, it's still playing. I hope that it's not going to do a stupid thing, coming back down to 800, do like a retest, and then coming back up, because GJ, it's doing this kind of things. Man, I said man, sorry, ma'am. New Zealand USD. Right now, let me go also on the 4-hour chart. I do believe that this price, it has to break this area and come down. Why? Because do you remember what I said, that everything that is coming back down is going to go up, and the opposite. So right now the price, it's rejecting from this area, but I do believe that it's going to break this area and come down. This is on the 4 hour. Let me see, 1 hour. It seems like it doesn't want to break this area, and right now it's in the range zone, and I expecting to this pair to break this zone and to come back down, not up. Let me see on the weekly. Yes, I do believe that it's going to reject from here and then to come back down again. What do you say? Would you check CAD GPY? So coming back to New Zealand USD, I am waiting for the dollar to gain strength and to do something. CAD GPY. Where is it? Because I don't see it right now. My God, there are so many. I have to delete from the CAD GPY. Okay, let me remove this. This is the weekly, and on the weekly it seems like the price touched this zone from here. It's rejecting this area. We are just playing very, very fast, and you should do the same. Go by weekly, daily, and so on. And like this, you will see what's going on with some other pairs. Right now, if you're looking at CAD GPY, it seems like the price, it's in a range zone. Me especially, to tell you, I don't like it. I didn't really like too much this week. It was very stupid because I thought that the price is going to do some movements, but it didn't happen. And I mean, it was a chaos, and almost all the pairs that I'm trading, they did like a range, and right now they are still in the range. Usually when you see a lot of ranging, it means that the price, it's like so when the price is in the range, it means that you see some accumulation. After the accumulation, you will see that the price, it's going to make like a boom. Okay, so the price is accumulating like buyers and sellers, and at one stage when the price will break either up or down, you will see a huge move. Okay, so that's why I like to put the price in a box, like we see right now at CAD GPY, for example. And when the price is going to break this area either up or down, then I will have a buy or a sell. So it's a very simple way of trading, because I know that the price is doing an accumulation, then it's going to break that area, then you have reaccumulation, and so on. So there are some things that you should learn them also if you will take some courses. I see head and shoulders in daily reversing the uptrend. Where? Here on the CAD GPY? Or you see it only because you have this high here, and you think that the price, it can come down, come up to here at 87, and from here to create again a shoulder, and then the price to come back down. This is what do you see? Okay, and then bam, 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 you see that the price is falling, huh? It is possible, I don't say no. Or maybe the price can do like this, or maybe the price is like this, and we should wait more because the price is going to play right here. Or you can have the 3 magic figure, I like to call it, because when you have 3 taps of the price, 1, 2, 3, okay, and you can have another one here. When you have 3 taps, then the price will reject and come back down. So I'm really expecting for CAD/GPY to come back down, and I am thinking that maybe this pair is going to do like this, because right now it seems like the price is in a channel and it's playing with us. We have to wait and we have to do the weekly analysis, and only like this we have to wait for the best entries. Yes, this is like the left shoulder. You can take it like a head and shoulder, okay, pattern. I like sometimes to this is also, it's looking also exactly like the three how I said the three taps from here, okay, and that the price is in a channel and playing right here, and after the price is going to touch here, then to come back down. There are different ways of seeing how the price is moving. That's why I said all the time, try to learn, try to see new things, try to find somebody like a mentor that you should learn after them, going into a group. I don't know, if you want to become a full-time trader, you have to learn all the time. So if you cannot how you say, if you cannot, let's say, if you don't have time to learn, or if you don't have the ability, or I don't know, there are a lot of things that in this world that let's say that you cannot go and learn, then you should stop trading and do some other work, because you cannot be a full-time trader if you don't study, if you don't do some schools, if you don't learn from the best ones, or try to find a mentor, or going into a group, or this kind of thing. So it's very difficult to become a full-time trader like you are dreaming, because I'm pretty sure that all of you are dreaming to become millionaires and buy Bugatti and I don't know, have Rolex watches and so on. So put your feet on the ground and first try to learn, because it's a very, very difficult market, and if you are not how you say, if you are not consistent, then it's very, very difficult to become profitable. Okay, so again, I repeat myself, go and make a trading plan, because it's going to help you a lot. Let me go back to GJ and see what is trying to do right now. Going by the 30-minute, I saw that the price, it went up, now it's rejecting from this area again. What are you doing, GJ? I mean, you closed above this area, okay? Right now it's just playing. I don't like when these kinds of things are happening. Like, why are you not going in the direction that I know that you're going to go? Euro GPY, it seems like it rejected from that area. Let me see the currency strength meter, how the candles are looking right now. It seems like the GPY is gaining strength, but the bound it's still stronger, so I do believe that the price is still going to go up. Euro GPY, I don't understand, because it still has more room to go up. Let me see what we have here. Nothing. We have a clear sky for today. We have here at 5 o'clock the US prelume consumer sentiment, but it's not so problematic. When you go to the Forex Factory and you see only the red flags, then you will know that right at that right moment you have some news with a high impact, okay? But if you see orange, it's so and so. So for those that they maybe they are new and they don't know about this chart. It's about livecharts.co.uk, and here you can have the currency strength meter. It can give you an idea, but don't focus on it 100% because it cannot help you. First, you need your brain to work and your knowledge, and after you should use this currency strength meter. So don't focus 100% on them or rely on them. I don't know how to say. Waiting right now for GJ to do exactly what I wanted to do. And for those that they are in the same trade with me, if you don't feel comfortable, you can go out. Please don't trade with a higher lot size, because after that you will say that if the price is not going in the direction that I was predicting, then you will say, but Mari, she's stupid, I didn't do well and so on, and I lost a lot of money and blah blah. Do whatever you want, but don't blame somebody if you are doing it bad, okay? Yeah, I really don't like how this, let me see how this, maybe I should close it and wait for the best opportunity. I'm waiting, it still has 1 minute for this 30-minute candle to close, and I really want to see, look how it's moving right now, GJ. It's very dangerous, I can say. It's doing up, down, and I'm thinking that maybe the price can come back down, okay, to the 800 area to do like a retest, and maybe the price to come back up again to retest again this high from here, okay? So I can say that it's very difficult. Let me see, we still have few seconds until this 30-minute candle will close. I think we have the opportunity for the price to continue to go higher. What do you say here? Yes, I think GJ downtrend, it's still on. It's still on, but you are like at the bottom, okay? So I think that it has to reject a little bit from this area, and I explained it what I saw on the higher time frames, because I like to go on the higher time frames, and then to go on the smaller time frames when I can have my small trades, okay, like on the 15 and 30-minute chart. Okay, so right now the price closed bullish. It closed above this resistance, okay? So I am expecting for the price to continue to go higher, at least to fill this week here. Maybe the price is not going to go to 200 area, but I'm expecting for the price to come to 146. So maybe the price is going to come back down, maybe do like a retest, and then up again. We will see. Although it's very difficult, GG is very crazy. All the pairs are very crazy right now. It's very difficult to trade them. And I tell you that usually on Friday you should not use a higher lot size, okay? Because you'll never know how the price will move, and you can end up losing money, a lot of money. So that's why I said all the time, you must have a risk management, you must have like a trading plan, you must know exactly where the price will go. And if you don't know, because you cannot be 100% sure in the forex market, then you should trade with a smaller lot size, and this will help you a lot. Because if you will end up losing, it's normal, okay? It will be abnormal only to have winning trades. I mean, this is impossible. You cannot. So it seems like on the 30 minutes it's trying to reject from here. The 1 hour candle, it's trying to reject from this area. The 4 hour candle, it's still rejecting this zone from here. We are in a downtrend, but I saw what I saw, and I said that, okay, if this candle is going to break this high from here, then the next one, it should shoot up, okay? So if it's not going to do, then for me, no problem. What do you say here? I think it was to come to 149 400 area. And more time, and then it will go up again, and then it's an uptrend maybe. I was thinking, this was my idea, that the price will reject from here and do like the uptrend, okay? This whole week was a crazy week, yes. For all of us, it was a crazy week. For me especially, because also I had courses, also I had to give signals, also I have the clone, also I have the robot. So I have many things, and it was very difficult. And imagine, it's very difficult when you have so many accounts, and you have to be profitable in all of them, and you have to make like everybody happy, no? Because you have people like waiting for you, and they trust you, and you should be there all the time for them. So it was very difficult because the market, it didn't move how I liked it. It was a strange, how you say, it was a strange ranging, okay, almost on all the pairs that I'm trading. And I don't know, I hope that next week things will change, and not only for me, for all the traders. That they are trying to make money. It seems like right now it's rejecting from here. My God, this is unbelievable. Let's see what these candles are trying to do. Maybe I'm going to leave it like this on the 30-minute chart. You are in some other trades, or maybe you want to see some other trades. I don't know. Let me see. Ouch. EuroCAD, it seems like this one is rejecting from this area. Okay, let me see right here. Let me put. So EuroCAD, it can reject from this zone and to go up to first 1.49950 area. Okay, so the price can come first to this zone, touch this zone, and the second this area. Okay, I don't think that the price could come down, also because rejected here like twice. So for those that they are watching EuroCAD, I do believe that the price should continue to go higher. I do suggest you and also my mentor told me that trade what you see, not what you think, because if you are going to trade what you're thinking, then you will end up losing, because you will end up thinking that, oh, maybe the price is not going to do that, or maybe the price is going to reject from this area, or maybe, and maybe, and maybe, and maybe, and maybe. Okay, so you should be very sure, like it's going up or it's going down. You should make the analysis. If the price is not going to do what you thought that it's going to do, then do a recap, see where you had your bad entry, and then wait to do like I don't know, a new entry, and see where you had your mistake and try not to repeat it. Okay, Euro GPY, it's falling. Let me see, Euro USD. Euro USD is going up. The dollar is very weak right now. And the Euro USD on the 1 hour, okay, it's still in a range zone. You see all the pairs are ranging. If you're trying to trade, also I can say that for my own trades, that for this week, because I was in a trade, it was like a mistake. AUD USD, where is AUD USD? Here it's AUD USD. Let me remove this one. So it seems like also where I have put my alert that the price is going to reject from this area. And it's very simple. If the price is going to, let's say, break and close above this area around 0.77 600 area, leave it like this, then there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go higher. This is on the 1 hour. Let me go on the 4-hour chart, and on the 4-hour chart, yes, and if it's going to break this one, then we should continue to 0.78 400 zone. Okay, so for you, you remember that I said the accumulation and then the price is, look at this one on the 4-hour. Here the price did like an accumulation, and then it break through this area, and as you can see, it break through this zone, okay, and it closed above this box, so it gave the confirmation that the price it can continue to go higher, and it happened. So this is an accumulation of the price, and then you wait for the price to break either up or down. Okay, so for AUD USD, my opinion is that if it's going to break this area, then it has to continue to go higher. If it's going to break down, then wait, because the price maybe it's going to touch again this 0.76 900 area again. Let me go back to GJ. It seems like it's trying, and it's playing up down up down. I really don't like how it's moving right now. But I'm pretty sure that the price, it should continue to go up. I'm pretty sure. Let me see GBPUSD. This one, I don't like how it looks. I mean, it doesn't give me, all the pairs are in a range. All they did this fake out here, because if you are going into the higher time frames, you see on the 4-hour, that's why I said all the time stay on the 4-hour, because you will learn and you will see a lot of things. As you can see here on the 4-hour, the price did like a fake out, and it closed inside of the box, and now the price, it's rejecting from this area and trying to come back up. So for this one, because it's in a range zone, if it's going to break this zone, then it's going higher again to 1.79. What we have here, 1.81 area. GBP CAD again going up. So especially on the Fridays, please don't over trade, don't over risk your account, don't over, you know what I mean. It's not doing what I like. It's trying to push up, down, up, down, up, down. Maybe I'm going to close it and that's it. Let me see gold. Oh, beautiful. You saw? Gold on the 30-minute. Let me see the 1 hour. Gold on the 30-minute break through this area that I told you, and it came to 1775. And it seems like it's rejecting from the zone, but it has to touch this area because usually wicks are filled. Okay, so this is also what I'm thinking about GJ. Coming back to GJ, is that if you see also on the 1 hour, you will notice that you have this wick right here, and I think that the price could come and cross this area of 150, 1.150. Okay, like it happened right here. Okay, the price went up and filled this wick. This is happening with the wicks. Also this one, it's a very good strategy. So coming back to gold, I don't know who asked me about gold, but did you been in gold? I mean, I didn't say to go in a trade, but I told you where it has the possibility to go up, but I told you to wait for a retest. Okay, so sometimes these candles are not doing retest. Yeah, it went beautifully up, and most probably the price is going to reject from this area. And please don't forget, it's Friday and you don't know, you can call it like Freaky Friday, because you don't know exactly what the price is doing. And even if you did a very good analysis, then you can end up losing some money, because it's like this in the forex market. Okay, very beautiful gold. Nice trades for those that they took gold. Look at this beautiful candle, my god. It did here this retest and then boom, up. Madi, what do you think about USD Swiss franc? I see sell opportunity. So this pair, it looks like on the 4 hour it's in a downtrend. It seems like right now this candle, it's trying to fill this 4 hour candle right here. Let me go also on the daily, because I want to see on the daily what's going on and what do I have on the left side, because all the time you have to go and watch the left side. And as you can see that here you are approaching a very difficult area, okay, with a lot of rejections. So you should be careful, okay, before going into any trades. So definitely, if the price, I cannot tell you more right now because we are on a daily, if the price is going to break on the daily this zone, and if it's going to close, then there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go down. This is the weekly, and let me see how the weekly looks. So we are still in a downtrend, and yes, there is a higher probability also. Oh, sorry, let me do like this to see if it's going to work. Something like this. I usually don't use it too often, but I saw something and I said that maybe I should look. It's simple. If the price is going to break this area, then the price, it has a higher confirmation to continue to go down. Let me go by the 4 hour. On the 4 hour it looks like it's breaking this zone, and maybe you should wait the 4 hour candle to close, maybe because it can do like a W, okay, like a retest again right here and then to come back up again. So I don't suggest you to trade it and wait. Let me go back to GJ because I want to see what it's trying to do right now. It's this pair driving me crazy or not? I know why it's driving me crazy, because it's one of my favorite pair, because it's sometimes it's moving chaotic and you don't know exactly what it's trying to do. And maybe that's why I like it more, because I want to trade it and I want to learn every move of this pair, but it's very, very difficult. Check the 1 hour, please. Don't you go under 4 hour. What, the USD Czech Swiss franc? Where is it? USD on the 1 hour. You want me to check? I can say that this candle couldn't break this low. When it's going to break this low, then there is a higher probability for the price to continue to go down. If it's not going to break this low, then the price can reject from this area and then to come back up and maybe to retest again this area where the day started, okay? That's why I said I don't suggest to Payam to start to trade this pair right now. I don't like how it's moving. Also the dollar, it doesn't has too much strength right now. As you can see also, if you go to the currency strength meter, you can see that this pair, it doesn't have too much volume right now. Coming back to also to Euro USD, if you look on the chart, you will see that the price is going up. Let me see Euro USD. Of course, it's going to break this area where I have put also the box right here. So there are some things that it's better to wait because you cannot control them, and wait for my weekly analysis, or maybe you are doing on your own the weekly analysis. Wait for the best opportunity to go into the market and try to see and try to predict what is going on for the next week. I think that for this week it's enough, and I think also in my case with GJ, maybe it was a stupid thing to go into a trade, but I still believe that the price, it has power to push up. Okay, so we still have another almost 10 minutes for this 30 minute, and I think also 1 hour candle to close. And it seems like the price came back down. Maybe it did like grabbing some liquidity. If you remember, before going into a trade, I said that I do believe that the price, it can come down, maybe doing like a retest and then to come back up, and I was trying to wait. In the same time, Payam, he asked me something. It's not his mistake, it was my mistake, because I went to the currency string meter to show him, and I entered in the trade a little bit late. That's why I said it's very difficult to do many things in the same time, and that's why I said it's very good to wait for the best opportunity, and to focus only in 1 or 2 pairs maximum. Okay, so GJ right now, is playing. It came back down, grabbing some liquidity, and now it's trying to close higher. If it's going to close higher, then there is a higher probability for the price to break this high, because this is I am expecting. So if the price is going to break this high of 150.011, then there is a higher probability for the price to touch this area where I have put the alarm on 150.151 zone, what we have here. So I am waiting for this strategy and all the time predict where the candles can go, even if we are, let's say, like in the downtrend. Like Payam said, I am 100%, he said a correct thing, that we are in a downtrend, but I do believe that the price should reject from here first, because also I told you that I did like the analysis, and I sometimes use the Fibonacci retracement, and it gave me the idea that the price can reject from this zone, also because I saw that pin, and the second because I saw that it's going to reject from 786 area. And if I'm going on the 4-hour chart, I can see here, this is the candle, the big rejection, and I knew that this one is going to reject. And I think on the daily I have put it, I'm crazy, I have put it on the daily, yes, and I said that I am waiting for this candle to flip from bearish to flip bullish, okay? And also because I use the Fibonacci retracement, and we are like in an uptrend on the daily, and the price all the time rejects from 0.786, and you should watch all the time my weekly analysis, because I use Fibonacci retracement, and sometimes I use Ichimoku to give me the burst confirmation, even if I use only the price action. And these things, all my students, they know what I'm using and how I teach them how to trade. So right now it seems like this one is trying to push up, and because it break through this higher, okay, there is a higher chance that the price can touch this area. I don't want to see the candle touching the 200 area. I want to see it right here. And if we are going to measure from here to here, we have like 16 pips. So 16 pips with a lot size of, I don't know, 1 or 0.50, or I don't know, even if you are trading with 0.05, you should be lucky. And I can say right now that I have closed 50% from my trade, and I have put my stop loss at the break even. And because I have closed 50% of the trade, I don't care what the candle is going to do right now, because I have already some money in my bag. And this is again one of my strategy, that if the price, I like to close 50% from my trade, and I move my stop loss at the break even, because I know exactly how it's moving, GJ, and because I'm trying to protect it right now, because I'm sure that you took the same trade with me, even if I told you to take it with a smaller lot size, okay? But we still have around 4 minutes until this candle will close, and because we are in a very strange area, we can see that GJ, it can come down, and I don't want to risk it again. So I risk it one time, because I left the candle going down in the drawdown, but I was pretty sure that the price, it will continue to go higher. So right now, for those that they took courses with me, they know exactly what is my strategy, that all the time I close 50% from my trade, and I move my stop loss at the break even, and I let the rest run. If the price if the price is not going into my favor, then I don't have any problem. So I can say that here, yes, I had a winning trade, and for those that they took the same trade with me, I'm very happy. We still have 3 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and also this 1 hour. And please tell me if you took this trade with me and you were very patient. And I'm so happy because it's Friday, and because we took this trade. I took this trade, okay? If you took the same trade with me, then I'm happy. It's Friday, and it's the Freaky Friday, so you can end up losing money. So I said that I took this trade because for those that they are new and maybe they want to learn what it was in my head taking GJ, first because it's one of my favorite pair. The second thing is that I was waiting for this 30-minute candle to close, and it closed higher, okay? I was waiting for this one and it break through. It made a new high, okay, and it closed in a bullish way. And this candle, it came back down, okay? This 30-minute candle, it came back down, did like a liquidity grab, okay? And then it went up again. And I told you again what it was my strategy. You see right now the price it's rejecting. That's why all the time you should close 50% of the trade all the time, because you will see that like this you will end up in a winning trade, okay, not in a losing trade. So all the time try to learn to protect your money, because you are here on the forex market to make money, not to lose money. So I can say that it was a very difficult trade because we are in a very strange area, and I do believe that the candles, they do tell a story, and that this one, it did exactly what I was thinking that it's going to fill this one, okay? And I do believe that it's going to happen, but right now I don't care because I have already closed 50% of the trade. I have secured my trade, and if it's going, because there is a high probability right now that the price can come down, again create like a weak liquidity grab and then to continue to go higher, but at that moment I don't care. So I can say that right now I did a profitable trade, and if you want to see more, then I'm waiting for you also Monday when I will come back again, because I will not be so busy, and we can have trades and free education again. So look what happened with GJ. I know GJ, that's why all the time I like to secure my profits, because GJ did exactly what I was expecting to do, okay? To make again a retracement. So right now I don't care, I have a winning trade. And for those that they took the same trade with me, try to focus and understand what I'm saying. I do believe that the price, it still has more room to continue to go up, okay? Also because it closed above this area, okay? And right now, where is it? Because the price closed above this area from here, okay? Sorry, right here. I was talking about this one, and I do believe that the price can continue to this direction. If it's not going to do it, then fine. This is scalping. This you should start to learn it. Maybe it's better to come and trade with a higher lot size, but you take small pips, small number of pips. And I do this, and I suggest you, when you see that your price is going into your favor and that you have some money there in your pocket, try to close 50%, try to raise your stop loss at the break even. And if the price is going to come back down and take you out, then there is no problem, because you already have some money in your pocket. It doesn't matter, it can be $1, okay? It's your profit. You work for that profit, okay? So for those that they are on my channel, I am waiting for you. I will come back right now, because I will end up this stream, and I will wait for you Monday, when I will do again a live session. And I hope that the candles, they will move different, and I'm still expecting for GJ to continue to go higher, okay? So my bias for Monday is that GJ will continue to go up. Wait that I will put the weekly analysis, okay, on my trading view page, and there you will see what I will think about the pairs that I will focus and trade next week. And if you want to know more about me, then you can go to my website, to bloomfxsignals.com. And right now it's not working. I don't know what happened. Here you have all the information, and maybe you want to have some signals. Maybe you want to use the robot, the clone, which is amazing, crypto invest, and then you have also the courses if you want to take the courses with me one-to-one. Okay, so guys, take care of you. Don't over trade, don't over risk. Leave GJ alone if you want to trade it. Even if I told you that it's going to continue to go up, maybe it's going to continue to go up, I really don't care right now in this moment. So don't over trade, don't over risk, don't risk more than 2% of your account. And I'm waiting for you Monday, when we can have another trade, a winning trade, because today I had a winning trade. I call it like this because I made some money, and hope that somebody took the same trade like me. So thank you so much for watching.